So I've collabed with FIFINE twice already with their K688 and their H9 gaming headset, and so far they've been 2 for 2. I'm super impressed with how good their peripherals are for how cheap they are. So they actually sent me their AM8. I'm excited to review this because knowing FIFINE, I already know it's going to be a banger. But yeah, as always, just because they sent it to me doesn't mean my review will be biased. They didn't pay me to say anything, and everything I say will be solely based on how I feel about the product. So yeah, let's get right into the review. Getting right into the unboxing, you get the user manual, you get the mic stand, and underneath the foam, you get provided with the microphone itself. And once again, the pop filter is the same material used on the K688, which I really like. The feeling of the pop filter is, like I said in my K688 video, it feels better than the pop filter on the SHURE SM7B. But yeah, here is the white version. Super clean looking mic. You get the gain dial. You get the volume dial for if you want to plug in your headset. You get both USB and XLR connection. You get a little touch sensor to change the lighting on the bottom, and as well as a mute button on the back. And of course, you also get your cable. So yeah, I will be reviewing both the XLR and USB connection inputs on this microphone just to see if there is a difference, and I'll also be comparing it to the SHURE SM7B. But so far, the build quality on this is very good. It has an all plastic body, but so far it still feels, and it is recommended you talk into the microphone like this just because of the positioning of the diaphragm, as you can see. But yeah, let's get right into it. And this is me on the SHURE SM7B. Obviously, this is my daily driver. You have heard me a bunch of times speaking on this microphone, so yeah, you should probably already be used to how I sound. But yeah, this is me. And this is me talking on the AM8 using the XLR input. I need to find things to say because this is probably my 100th take saying something into this microphone because I honestly don't know what to say. I know I should probably be reading a phrase, but I was too lazy to look one up. But yeah, this is the AM8 on the XLR input. So now I'm using the AM8 using the USB input, and as you can see, it is lit up. I can change the color if I want to. The gain knob and headset knob also work now, but obviously the headset knob will only work if you have a headset plugged in. And there also is a mute button on the side. And now I am unmuted. So yeah, also keep in mind that the buttons and features only work if you use the USB connection. It will not work if you try to use it using the XLR input. So yeah, keep that in mind.
Alright, so I listened to the recordings back and I've been playing more games with my friends, and in conclusion, all I can say is this is another banger mic from FIFINE. I prefer this mic over the K688 just because in my opinion it looks nicer. Yeah, it is recommended to put this mic on a boom arm, but through my tests, I don't think it really matters that much. It'll just get rid of the sounds of you hitting your desk, but to be honest, that's not that big of a deal, especially when you're gaming. You and your friends are probably hitting your desk all the time. But yeah, if I didn't pay, what, $550 for the SHURE SM7B already, then I definitely would have gotten the AM8 because this mic is a banger. And it looks really clean too. And it's like 5 times less the price of the SHURE SM7B. So yeah, for 5 times less the price and this quality, it's definitely worth considering. But yeah, I think this mic is perfect for a streamer. It has everything you need on the mic itself. Obviously, if you are using XLR, then you do have to get an audio interface, but even the USB sounds pretty good. And all the controls are on the microphone itself, so it's very easy to use, very clean, and sounds crispy. So yeah, this is a great option for a microphone if you don't want to drop like $1,000 on an audio setup. So yeah, great job from FIFINE.